First, back up your data before deactivating, as it might be lost otherwise. Next, verify all account details, including any outstanding balances, to avoid potential disputes or delays. Now, cancel your account through the ALDI Mobile app, website, or by calling 1-855-554-2222. Be aware that any remaining funds will be forfeited, but you can request a refund for unused minutes or data by contacting customer service. Note that reactivating service later will require purchasing a new SIM kit, which typically costs between $10 and $20. If you're switching carriers but want to keep your phone number, you'll need to port it out from ALDI Mobile. To do this, first obtain a port out PIN from ALDI Mobile customer service. This usually takes up to 24 hours. Then, provide this PIN and your account information to your new carrier. The porting process is free and generally completes within 1 business day, although delays can occur if there are unresolved issues or unpaid balances on your account. Remember, porting out your number automatically deactivates your ALDI Mobile SIM card, so keep using it until your new carrier's SIM card is active. ALDI Mobile supports eSIM technology, which can simplify the porting process. Following recent FCC regulations, number portability should be completed within 1 business day for most carriers, minimizing service interruptions. Be sure to reconcile your account before initiating the port to prevent any delays.